And pepper for you.
That's right.
Look!
Oh.
Look! A crown!
Uh-huh. Oh,
Thanks, Mom. Thanks to Princess Crown.
you're welcome.
Look!
A couple
Tinkerbell!
Yeah, Tinkerbell bag.
Uh-huh. Can you open it, please?
Not right now. We'll open it in a little bit, okay?
Oh, a princess?
So pretty, Diana.
Thank you, Mom. Mom,
Hmm?
a piece from the Princess Crown.
Yeah. You
And
like it?
thank you. Thank you, Mom. Thank you to the birthday.
You're welcome. Here, can you show me your room? Show me what's on your door. Do you like the streamers?
Not there. Not in the
Here,
party. A toy.
here, let me turn the light on. And pull all your blankets off the bed. Diana,
Huh?
what do you think of the streamers? Well, I guess I should have got your first impression.
Dress?
Huh?
Dress, please.
You want to go ahead and get dressed up?
Uh-huh. The princess and the crown dress.
Okay, hold on a second. Diana, happy birthday.
Thank you.
How does it feel to be 4 years old?
And then princess.
Okay.
Look, what's that?
Is it your streamer curtain?
Uh-huh.
Do you...
Oh, the birthday. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Whoop.
Look, you see? It's for you. You see? Thank you.
Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm happy you're happy. Happy birthday, Diana.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm going to turn the camera off now, okay? I love you.
Thank you.
Kisses. Mwah.
Mwah.
All right, bye-bye.